Enhance your speech. Unleash the power of synonyms and antonyms. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fundamental aspect of English language mastery. Understanding and using synonyms and antonyms effectively can drastically improve your speaking skills and overall communication. So let's explore the world of synonyms and antonyms and learn how to utilize them to enrich our language and make our conversations more dynamic. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. For example, happy, joyful, and cheerful all express similar sentiments. Expanding your vocabulary with synonyms can make your communication more nuanced and colorful. Imagine you're describing a pleasant day. Instead of saying, "It's a nice day," every time, you could say, "It's a wonderful day," or "It's a splendid day." By using synonyms, you're not just repeating the same word, but expressing the same idea with varying degrees of intensity or emotion, thereby making your communication more engaging and effective. On the flip side, we have antonyms, words that are opposite in meaning. For instance, the antonym of happy is sad. Understanding antonyms is crucial as they help us express contrasts or oppositions in our speech. If you're talking about a change in weather from one day to the next, you might say, "Yesterday was sunny, but today is cloudy." Here, sunny and cloudy are antonyms that help you convey the contrast between the 2 days effectively. Synonyms and antonyms are not just about vocabulary enrichment. They are powerful tools that can enhance your communication skills. Using synonyms can prevent repetitiveness, thus keeping the listener engaged. They can also add a layer of depth and emotion to your conversation. On the other hand, antonyms are excellent for demonstrating contrasts and can help clarify your point. The use of synonyms and antonyms, when appropriate, shows that you have a rich vocabulary and a strong grasp of the language, which can impress listeners and make your speech more persuasive. So there we have it, the importance of understanding and using synonyms and antonyms in our speech. Remember, it's not just about memorizing words, but about knowing when and how to use them to make our conversations more engaging, effective, and impactful. Keep practicing, keep expanding your vocabulary, and watch your communication skills soar to new heights. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, keep learning, and you'll keep improving. Until next time, happy learning!